So now I get to deal with gasoline and current. Yeah, that's gonna be some funny shit. All right, so today we're dealing with this 2007 Ducati Monster, the 695. And these things are notorious for shitty fuel pumps and bad soldering joints. That's through the epoxy casing, or through the casing rather, and on this back side in here. So typical signs that you know you either have a short or no continuity with the wiring is when you turn over the bike, all you hear is it kicking, trying to start. It'll run through the servo mode with no start. Now the quickest way to tell is just listen for the pump to prime. On mine, immediately I knew, because I've had a few of these, it was bad, the pump didn't prime. So to eliminate everything, just kind of pinpoint really what's going on, what you want to do is do a continuity check on all your wires. Okay, so what I've done is I've ran a continuity check on the harness here, power side, and I checked it, power right here, and I'm not getting anything. The ground I'm getting, continuity is verified and it's okay. And also my signal wire here from the harness, the signal there, I'm not getting any readings. So I'm getting readings on my grounds but nothing on the signal or power. Check the motor as well. That actually powers on when I run battery directly to it. If I wire it directly, you get priming. And we'll see when you go through the harness, no power, nothing. So now we for sure know the issue lies with a short in there. So much fun ahead. So I'm basically gonna have to take off all the plastic and remove all of this out of here and kind of remove this epoxy or casing or whatever it is, because I'm having a short in here. So it's well known on these monsters that Ducati did a shit job hiring that vendor to provide these parts and do all the soldering. So this should be fun. So now I get to deal with gasoline and current. Yeah, that's gonna be some funny shit. And it runs. Damn. Sounds good, huh?
It's been a while, folks. It's been a while.
Sounds good. I'll check out the